here today. I'm gonna start rebuilding my electric bike. Now I bought different stuff this time. Instead of a brushed motor, I went with the brushless Turnigy Aero Drive 6374 192 kilovolt brushless motor. Now these I bought are 5.5 millimeter gold bullet connectors for these big dogs, because these are like 10 millimeters almost. They're like massive. They're huge on that ESC. Then I also bought some XT90 for the batteries, and XT90 to XT60 adapters so that it can actually fit on the XT60 to the battery. And here's the new gears that's going to be coming on. So instead of a 45 tooth bicycle gear, we're going to be working with a roller chain gear here. And we're going to be doing an 80 tooth setup. So we're going to get an 8 tooth and hopefully have a 10-to-1 gear ratio and have plenty of torque. We're going to try to build a bike that don't burn up. So that's pretty much all the parts. I'm going to go ahead and try to get this together. I have the throttle and the ESC sensor inside, sensor tester, and once we get that together, we're going to go ahead and show you if that thing runs or not. So, electric bike, part 1 again. Hopefully there's not like 15,000 parts to it this time, but here we go. Peace out, y'all.